Hello, this is Helena Kins from Chasing the Truth and Uniqueness. All of you guys, I have a podcast, though I want you to discover my journey in South Korea, how it has been, and hope you can learn something from here. And I really wanted to share with you how this journey was such a blessing for me and discovering all this unique place. À plus. Salut, voilà, c'est moi Hélène. J'ai l'habitude de partager mes expériences de la vie avec vous, mais depuis un moment, je suis partie silencieuse. Alors, je viens aujourd'hui pour vous relater une petite histoire, mais basée sur la parole de Dieu. Alors, Dieu nous enseigne à donner tout notre cœur à lui. Jésus nous dit, suivez mes pas, soyez comme moi. Ainsi, vous aurez la vie éternelle. Je vais vous dire une seule chose très simple. C'est que, par exemple, là où je suis en train de prendre cette vidéo ici, je suis exactement à Songtan. Songtan, c'est la ville de la base américaine. Et il y a beaucoup d'étrangers ici en ces lieux. Donc, après ici, dans ce pays, dans cette ville de la Corée du Sud, eh bien, je serai avec vous dans, je peux dire, quelques heures à Kinshasa. Et pour d'autres qui sont dans d'autres pays d'Afrique, je rentre en Afrique. Alors, je vous invite à savoir que lorsqu'on marche avec le Seigneur, I was saying that, I'm sorry my video got cut, that when you walk with Jesus Christ, you will be blessed. God only knows how much I deeply want you to connect with what I'm sharing here. Is that, some of my friends ask me, how did you handle Koreans? How could you work with Korean? And my answer today is the grace of God. People are different. And for me, going to South Korea, it was a blessing. So I was I was going through something crazy. And I was so scared at the end where I thought I could live my life. So I asked God, please just bless me. Allow me to go out of here. I want to move. I want to go out of here. So for the short story, I was this executive assistant of a Korean company. So my bosses were Korean. And they promised me to take me to South Korea, but it really didn't happen because I was not surrounded by good Congolese people. But the Lord has, when He gave me another job, finally this happens after when He moved me from those toxic people. That's where my miracle, my blessing had happened. For some of you would say, oh no, I can go to South Korea whenever I want. But it's not the case for me. So this is why I want to share this to you, wherever you are, that if you stick in the word, you stick in your faith. Don't look left or right. Hope in God, in Jesus Christ. Hope in Him. Because every word that have been spoken, to you, you must believe that it shall happen. It can be from anybody, not just the prophets or pastor. Someone promised you something, remind it to God. You say, God, they promised me to do this. It shall happen. Thank you. Bye.